Think about the device in your hand right now. You think it's advanced? You think you're looking at the peak of consumer technology? You're wrong. Because behind closed doors in Cupertino, Apple is preparing to completely rewrite the rules of what a smartphone even is. And if you are planning on buying a new phone anytime soon, you need to stop what you are doing right now, because the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max is about to make every single device on the planet look like an absolute relic from the past. For years, we've been getting the same minor updates. A slightly faster chip. A slightly brighter screen. A new color that they pretend is revolutionary. We've grown bored, and Apple knows it. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. They know the market is stagnating. But what they are preparing for the 18 Pro Max isn't a standard generational upgrade. This is a massive, aggressive pivot. We are talking about a total architectural shift in how hardware and artificial intelligence fuse together. Rumors from deep within the supply chain are painting a picture that is honestly hard to believe, but when you look at the patents Apple has been quietly filing, the puzzle pieces start to fall into place perfectly. Let's talk about the raw power first, because what's happening under the hood is almost terrifying. The next generation silicon powering this machine isn't just a minor bump in clock speed. Apple is moving to a radically advanced sub-2 nanometer fabrication process. To put that in plain English, they are packing an impossible number of transistors into a space smaller than a blood cell. This isn't just about loading apps faster or rendering mobile games at higher frame rates. This chip is built for one specific purpose: localized, zero-latency artificial intelligence that operates entirely on your device without ever needing to ping a cloud server. Think about the implications of that. Every single action you take, every photo you snap, every message you write, is going to be processed by a dedicated neural engine that possesses more raw computing power than the supercomputers of the last decade. It will predict what you want before you even tap the screen. It is designed to learn your habits, your voice, your micro-movements, turning the iPhone 18 Pro Max from a passive tool into an active digital extension of your mind. It's brilliant, yes, but it's also incredibly eerie. But the chip is just the brain. What you will actually see and touch is where Apple is truly breaking the mold. For the longest time, the dynamic island was a clever band-aid for a hardware limitation. But Apple's ultimate goal has always been a flawless, unbroken sheet of glass. The under-display technology has finally reached the maturity level Apple demands. The camera, the sensors, the facial recognition hardware, all of it is being completely hidden beneath the display matrix itself. When you look at the front of this phone, you won't see a notch, a cutout, or a pill-shaped distraction. You will see pure, uninterrupted display flowing from edge to edge. And this display isn't just pretty. Apple is introducing a highly sophisticated, variable refresh rate system that goes far beyond anything we've seen. It won't just scale between 1 and 120 Hz. It is designed to adapt instantly to the specific micro-movements of your eyes, drastically reducing motion blur while slashing power consumption to virtually zero when you're looking at static content. This allows for a display that can stay vibrant, incredibly bright, and deeply saturated without destroying your battery life. Speaking of the camera,